In this video, we're going to be installing a Hunter X2 Wi-Fi enabled controller. Here I'm checking to see how far the wires go and how high we can install that controller. So this is an approximation just so that we have enough slack on that cable. Once I establish the height, I'm going to go ahead and hammer drill in a hole for my anchor. I'll go ahead and put in that anchor. Then I'm going to slowly screw in a small screw into there. I'm going to go ahead and place the controller in there temporarily. I'm going to open up the cabinet and take off that plate. Then I'm going to throw on a small level on there so I could make it level. I want to hold that controller firmly, making sure it's level. Then I'm going to go ahead and get my hammer drill and just drill in two little small holes just so I can see it. Then I'm going to take off the controller itself, and then I'm going to drill in those holes for my anchors. There, hammer drilling in the holes for the anchors. Putting in the anchors themselves. Now I'm going to mount the controller on there and align those anchors and then with the holes, and then screw in the small screws. Once the controller is mounted, I'm going to go ahead and slip in the irrigation wires through the 3/4 inch conduit. I'm going to go ahead and slip in those irrigation control wires through that hole in the cabinet, and then just mount the conduit. Now you want to go ahead and strip about a 1/4 inch of wire. This is going to go into the controller ports. So just go ahead and unscrew the terminal ports just a little, just enough to let the controller wire slip in. Now I always start with the common wire, so I'll grab both common wires from here and I'll put those in first. And then I'll go ahead and put in my station wires accordingly. Last thing you want to do is go ahead and untie that pigtail and disconnect it to the power and ensure everything works well. Now the last thing I did was I tied the excess of that pigtail right there to the side. I put back the cover on that faceplate, cleaned it off a bit, and then you're all done. In later videos, I'm going to be showing the installation of the Wi-Fi wand and the Hunter wireless rain click. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel or check us out online at www.landpronet.com.